I'm an old man now, and I can tell you something about money that most people don't understand. Your first $1 million is a lie. It's not the hard part. The real challenge is keeping it. I know what you're thinking. $1 million. That's the dream. That's financial freedom. And it was mine too. My name is Richard Sterling. I'm 52, and I made my first million before I was 30, not by luck, but by breaking a rule I didn't even know existed. But achieving that number, that's where the real lessons began. I started with nothing but $5,000 and a deep-seated fear of being poor. I chose real estate. It was slow, ugly work, cleaning up properties, calling banks, working 19-hour days. The goal was simple: 1 million in assets. I obsessed over the number. I looked at it like a finish line in a sprint. The first success came not with a bang, but a quiet closing. A small property flip that put $50,000 into my pocket. I was addicted. I took bigger risks, leveraged more debt. The number on the balance sheet grew faster than I did. By the time I hit 25, the bank account ticked over the magic line. I was a millionaire. I bought the car. I rented the apartment. I felt untouchable. That was my first mistake. I thought the hardest part was over. I was wrong. The market shifted, a deal went sour, and my over-leveraged portfolio was suddenly bleeding. I remember standing in my living room, empty. Half of what I'd built gone in 6 months. The panic was real. The money was gone because my mindset was still poor. Here is the rule I broke. The rule everyone breaks when they chase a number. I outsourced my discipline. I relied on the market to go up. I relied on the deal to work. I relied on external validation. I didn't have internal systems to protect the wealth I had created. The hard part wasn't earning the million. The hard part was becoming the kind of person who deserves to keep it. It took losing that chunk of money for me to understand. The financial figure is just a scoreboard. The real victory is the daily system. If you want to get rich and stay rich, you must stop focusing on the number. Focus on the habits. Focus on the value you create. Focus on the discipline you bring every single day, whether the market is up or down. The first million is just a benchmark. It proves you can do it. The journey of maintaining and growing it, that's the real wealth. That's where character is forged. Now, the rule I live by is simple. Never rely on luck. Rely on process. If you want to hear more unfiltered truths about wealth and leadership, subscribe to Richard Sterling. Next week, I'll tell you about the true cost of a handshake deal.